A very good morning to all of you students. Today we are going to learn a new thing. Okay. In previous class, I have taught you about dry cell. Okay, it is the physics part you knew already, and for class 6, and that is electricity and circuit. In previous class, we learned about the inner view of a dry cell, and here we are going to learn that how you are going to use the different dry cell to a more dry cell, and what is the name of that. Okay, and also we are going to learn that what is the inner view of a torch bulb. Okay, so here we are going to learn about these points one by one. We are going to learn. Okay, so in first we revise the inner view of dry cell. In a dry cell, in each and every dry cell, there are how many terminals? You know how many terminals? There are two terminals. There are two terminals in a dry cell. Each dry cell contains two terminals. One is positive and the other is negative. Positive terminals which act as a positive terminal brush with what is the name of this part? This is a carbon rod. Carbon rod with brush cap act as a positive terminal, and this part act as a negative. And what is this? All the means dry cell is made of. It contains in a zinc container. That's why zinc container act as a negative terminal, and carbon rod with brush cap act as a positive terminal. Okay, so now you know already this one. We discussed about this in previous class. Okay, so now here advantage of a dry cell. What is the advantage of dry cell? It is very easy to carry here and there because it is lightweight and also size is small. Small in size, light in first is small in size, second is light in weight, third is that is easy to carry, and fourth, there is no fear to leakage. You can't get shock. Okay, with a dry cell we don't get shock. We can touch either part. Okay, so these are the advantages. Four advantages. First, small in size. Second, easy to carry. Third, that is there is no fear of leakage. Okay, and now we talk about the battery of two or more cell. What is the battery, and how will you know the connection of a dry cell? Already you look the inner view of a torch. In which manner you connect the dry cell in a torch. Okay, you know one enter this way and the other should be enter also this way. It means other should be, this should be also means positive term. It is positive and this is negative. Okay, this is positive and also this is negative. It means the negative terminal of dry cell is connected with the positive terminal of the other. Okay, and so on. You can connect. This is the manner to connect two or more two dry cells. Okay, so what is the battery of two or more dry cells? When you connect two or more than two dry cells in such a way, when the positive terminal of when two or more than two dry cells are connected in such a manner, when negative terminal of a dry cell is connected with the positive terminal of the other, and so on. This is called battery of two or more cells. Battery of cells. Okay? Once again, when two or more than two dry cells are connected in such a way, when negative terminal of one cell is connected with the positive terminal of other cell, and so on, is called battery of cells. Okay? This is the manner to connect two or more than two dry cells. Did you get it? I hope you got it. Now, we discussed about 2 points. Now, solar cell. What is that solar cell? Now we learn. In a solar cell, you know, solar cell is an equipment which direct converts solar energy into electricity. It works also at home. If you have solar panel, you know, there are so many wires are connected here, and these wires are made of what? That is made of silicon. What is silicon? Silicon wire. Okay, these are the silicon wire, and all these equipments is put in a box. Okay, and the upper layer, that is made of glass. Okay, and when when sunlight fall on the solar panel, sunlight from the sun, that is the solar energy. What is solar energy? Solar energy fall on the solar panel. This is solar panel. And from the solar panel, one terminal is connected. Okay, and here we connect with a cell. One is connected with the one terminal and other is connected to the other terminal. One is positive, other is negative. That is a cell. Okay, that is solar cell or voltaic cell. It is called voltaic cell. Okay, so that is solar panel, and which wire is used here? What is that? Is silicon. What is silicon wire is used under the solar panel, and two wires is taken from the panel, and that direct that is used to charge a dry cell. Okay, that is battery. Okay, or you can say, if you don't charge the battery, then you can direct glow a bulb also. Direct you can convert. Direct to take two parts, take two wires from here, and it can direct, you can connect with a bulb. I use a bulb, one bulb. It will glow. When if you don't charge the battery, then you can connect direct, you can glow a bulb. So solar cell direct converts solar energy into electricity. What? Solar energy into electricity. It gives electricity. Okay? Or you can charge a battery also. And for using at night, or for running a fan at night time, because at night time you can't get solar energy. Okay? Now, so what is the work of solar cell? Solar cell convert direct solar energy into electricity. Okay? Now, we discuss about torch bulb. What is used and what is the inner view of a torch bulb. So, here I am going to explain it now. Everyone have seen a torch bulb. In a torch bulb, that is made of glass, and Okay, that is a glass, made of glass. In Hindi he said kaach. Okay, so and one wire is taken from this end and other is taken from the tip of the bulb, and one wire is taken from the that is the base part, and other is the bottom, other is taken from the bottom. Okay, and these two wires is connected with the one. This is called filament. What is called? Filament. This is a filament which is made of tungsten. What is tungsten? Filament is made of tungsten. Okay, repeat. It is filament is made of tungsten. Okay. So one is taken from the base and other, that is case. Okay, and this is made of insulators. Okay, that is made of insulators, and one is taken from the bottom and other is from the base, that is. Okay, and this is made of insulator because the two wires should not connect each other. Okay, and this is connected with the, when you connect with two or more than two dry cell, positive, negative. So one part should be connected to the one in, and other should be connected to the other terminal. Okay, one terminal should be connected to the positive terminal of the dry cell, and other should be connected with the negative terminal of the dry cell. Only then the bulb will glow. Okay, here you always keep in mind that is a part of, that is a tungsten. Two wires support it, and two wire, one is taken from the boat, other from the base. Okay, and tungsten is made of, that is filament is made of tungsten metal. Okay, these two things you always keep in mind. Also, from next video we will learn to means for new parts of this, how you connect, what is the proper way of connection of the dry cell to or more than dry cell. Okay, so now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.